Good morning, friends. Nalinakshi Swami here. I'm not continuously making the videos because of this range trade in the market. Market is nowhere actually. After on 27th, it started its journey from 17,970 and it fell up to 17,425, more than that. This is the so after falling this, the market is from February 1st till today, almost 13 days are over. 13 days are over, it is within this broader range. This is the big candle which is managing the whole price range within this. So price is within 17,976 to 17,425. Within the range, you can see higher lows and higher highs. Now, since 2 days, 8th, 9th, 10th, the market has fell into a very, very narrow range. It is making an attempt to go past this level, but it will face a resistance around 18,005 to 18,020. Even if it crosses above the 17,976, it will be an attempt to go past this range, but it may not sustain in the initial this thing. It has to come back and retest to this level and it has to go up. Probably it is a very, very difficult trade when something falls into a range. It needs, I believe, the whole of this month, we may end up in a range actually, monthly trade. Now, what will happen in today? What can happen in today or in this week is the Nifty is making an attempt to go there. Probably Probably it may push little bit lower. It has to grab the liquidity, and it may fill this gap. Here you can see the Nifty has gapped up. It may come down and fill this gap. So it has got a very good support around 17,760, and then it may make an attempt to, let me take this to, it may make an attempt to go past 17,976 to the level of 18,007 to 18,005. So this may be the pattern which is expected because you can see the same pattern what has happened before. See, it had come like this, it had gone to this range and expanded. So you can expect the same pattern, see, smaller pattern. It has come like this and it has gone like that, and you can expect this little bit expansion to the downside, liquidity to the downside, because big player, there is lot of liquidity beneath this. They have induced the sellers and buyers on both the direction. So you are getting liquidity, lot of liquidity over here. They can grab the liquidity over there, and they have created double tops also. Since they have created double top, there is even here, there is lot of liquidity. So they will grab this liquidity and they will try to capture the liquidity. This may be the play in this week. Probably in this week, you can expect today or tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday, the expansion to the downside and Nifty going past this level, 17,912. Once it crosses the 17,912, it may make an attempt to go to the level of 18,004 up to 18,005. So this is the play which is happening in the market. So it has expanded outside the range here. 17,407 to 17,358, and it may expand its range to 18,000. So then again the same thing, it may start coming down. It is a liquidity ping pong. What is happening over here? Probably this may continue, this type of range trading may continue in the whole of February month. So there is no direction actually. Market is a range bound market. What you can expect, you have to play buy on dips and sell on rise. So the range trade will be like that. There is no directional movement. Even though you see some sort of direction, higher highs, you can see higher highs and higher lows within the range, but the range is defined actually. The range is 17,976 to, so now at present Nifty is at the higher, it is near the higher range, probably one dip towards this level 17,740 to 17,700. It has got a very good support, and it can take liquidity and expand to the higher side above this range 17,976, but the limitation is around 18,005 to 18,007. So you 18,028. That's the maximum, and again you will get same thing. It may start its journey. It cannot go immediately above this level, above this 18,206. So huge resistance, huge selling off has taken place around 18,122. You can see I have applied volume profile over here. You can see maximum number of volume has been traded around this level 18,125 to the downside. So sellers have dominated from this level 18,000. So Nifty may face difficulty. It need a trigger or in some economic this thing to go past this level. Probably it may happen one day. Suppose if it doesn't break this level, Nifty may spend its time even in the month of March also probably. So we may expect an expansion to the either to the downside or to the upside in the coming months, April, May or something. So it's a kind of range trading which is happening after the fall. This candle, you can see this broad candle is a stopping volume candle. Stopping volume, it has stopped the Nifty and confined the Nifty within this range. The range, it has been defined. So you know the ranges. There is no panic actually. You know the ranges where it can go. The upper range is 18,000. It cannot go past this because of this seller's domination. Maximum volume seller has been dominated, and the Nifty has fallen below that. So it can go, expansion can come little bit higher than that. Probably in this week itself, if it takes the liquidity around 17,700, it may go past it. It will make an attempt to go past 17,976, and the limitation is around 18,020 days. So you be careful. Actually, it is a trade. Actually, if you see here, 17,700 to 738 to 18,000, around 300 point range, you can trade. You can trade, but you should not get chopped out. But you should enter only when you get at these levels. Your risk to reward will be higher. If you enter in between, you will be chopped out. So be careful and trade accordingly. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.